Hi children. Today question is, how can you say that when an object is heated, the rise in the temperature of the object depends upon its nature? Or the question may be posed in another way. Write an activity to show that when an object is heated, the rise in the temperature of the object depends upon its nature. So, as it is an activity, we are having the same steps: aim, material required, diagram, and procedure. And then we can go for observations, then conclusion. Let us come to the topic of that aim. To prove that the rise in temperature depends on the nature of the object. For that, the material required are one large jar, two test tubes, hot water at least 80 degrees centigrade of temperature, cold water means room temperature water, and oil, and two stands. Procedure: before that, observe the diagram. Two test tubes are submerged in the hot water. The one test tube is filled with the oil and another is filled with the water. And the two test tubes are also immersed in oil and water as well, and they are fixed to the stands. Take a large jar and pour hot water. Take two test tubes, one with the oil and another with the water, and keep them thermometers in it, and as shown in the figure, and hang them in the hot water with the help of stands. Now, what is the observation? We can observe that the rise in the temperature in the oil is more than that of the water. So, what you can conclude from this, as they are exposed to the same level of hotness, still the rise in the temperature is not same in the both material. Then we can conclude that the rise in the temperature depends upon the nature of the object. Here we have to take a precaution that there should not be much loss of temperature while doing the experiment.